Spanish Town, Jamaica. District Constable Robert Campbell has been granted bail after he was caught providing a controlled substance to the prisoners. Greetings, and salutations, to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaican on the internet. It's Rastafari Soldier here of Deeproots TV. Thank you for tuning into the Rastaman channel. If you have not subscribed as yet, subscribe to the Rastaman panel. Follow me on TikTok. Don't you flip-flop. Leave a comment. As a district constable who was reportedly caught with Ganja at the Horizon Adult Remand Centre, Spanish Town Road, was granted bail in the sum of $300,000 when he appeared in Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on Tuesday. Robert Campbell, 25, who appeared before Senior Parish Judge Sanchia Barrell, has been charged with dealing in Ganja and bringing prohibited articles into a correction facilities. Reports indicate that February 21, Campbell, who is a former Point Hill St. Catherine, was getting dressed for duty in the barracks room of correction facility when a small parcel fell from his pocket. He reportedly stepped on it quickly, which aroused the suspicion of Supervisor Corporal. The corporal then called for another officer and instructed Campbell to take off his knapsack. He started searching it. During the search, a package containing 4.18 ounce, 4.18 ounce of vegetation. This vegetation matter resembled ganja, and also another matter that resembled tobacco, a USB cable, $20,650 in cash, a pack of Rizla, and lighter were discovered. Why? It sounds like this man was just looking out for the Rastaman them will lock up. And most that him did that though. When cautioned, Campbell reportedly told the police that an inmate had threatened him to smuggle the item into the facility. He has denied the allegation against him. He indicated that he came to work, left his shoes in the barracks. As usual, the bag of store, his change of clothes. So he's saying that he came to work, left his shoes in the barracks, as usual, used the bag to store his change of clothes. He said he wasn't aware that the items were inside. Campbell attorney said Campbell is to return to court May 15. What a lying piece of person. This person expect us to believe this people. Bare face. Now Campbell is to return to court on May 15. The case manager hearing a part of his bail condition. Campbell is required to report to the Point Hill Police Station every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday between 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. He was also ordered to surrender his travel documents, and to stop order was imposed. This fool working in the jail. Imagine a district constable try smuggling ganja to the prisoner. This boy is dealing in the prison. Me never hear nothing like this. A them kind of thing ya really make you get pee. Because at the end of the day, this man want convince we say him have a man lock up in a jail And the man were in a jail. I threaten him. I extort him to do illegal things. Make this make sense? Only in Jamaica. Ladies and gentlemen, 25-year-old Robert Campbell, an actual district constable, working in the Horizon Adult Remand Centre in a Spanish town. I try smuggling 4.18 ounces of green vegetation that resemble marijuana, the ganja, the Mary Jane, the herbs, and this fool have all grabber in there too, lighter and money. And when him get catch, before him deal with it like a real man, this nasty wretch, I blame it upon the prisoner where him lock up. Imagine this. Make it make sense. Ladies and gentlemen, leave your comment on this one. Let me know if you believe the JCF criminal. Or do you think he might try blame his ill-gotten behavior on a prisoner? Me can't say the prisoner innocent, because I am convinced that the law and the criminal them are work hand to hand. Leave your comment. Tell me the truth if you are real Jamaican. And more life, and more joy, and more happiness. I'm wanting of to stay blessed.